Does CH3COOH acetic acid gives CO2 gas on treatment with NaHCO3? The very first we have to understand that which gives CO2 gas on treatment with NaHCO3. For that, let's write here one simple reaction, very simple reaction I am writing here. Okay, that is HA. That is general acid that reacts with the NaHCO3, and that gives what that will give NaA plus H2CO3, which basically get decomposed, right, into there the H2O and the CO2. This is the way CO2 gas is produced. The point is here that whether this reaction is possible or not possible. If this reaction is possible, then there that H2CO3 will form, there the CO2 gas will be released. So when this reaction is possible, then please understand this very clearly that whichever acid, this is the acid on the reactant side, this one is acid, right? Okay, and this one is the acid on the product side. If the product acid is weaker, then this reaction is possible. If the product acid is stronger, if that is more reactive, then this reaction is not possible, because any of the reaction will not be taking place if that will be giving some of the reactive product. So if H2CO3 is weaker, or in nutshell I will say, if this general acid is stronger than H2CO3, then H2CO3 will form and CO2 gas is released. Fine. It is principally correct now that which will give CO2 gas on treatment with NaHCO3. Clear? Which will give? That which is stronger than that acid, which is stronger than H2CO3. So I write clearly here, if HA is stronger, right, stronger acid than H2CO3, then CO2 gas is released. Then here the question is about H2CH3COOH. What about CH3CH? So the point is now the comparison of CH3COOH and H2CO3. Which one is a stronger acid? Very simple one. Let's compare here. CH3 C double bond O, and there the OH. Here is the H2CO3 C double bond O, and there the OH. Its conjugate base is CH3 C double bond O and O minus. Its conjugate base is HO C double bond O and O minus. We find that here almost both are having the same stability. There also CO minus, here also COO minus. Now how to find the difference, that which one is more stable and which acid is stronger acid? Very simple one, that in this stability, in the stability of this COO minus, CH3 is having electron releasing effect, and that is decreasing its stability. But even this OH group is having there the plus M kind of effect, in which is decreasing its stability, and as this plus M effect is stronger than this plus I effect in its working, so certainly this OH group will destabilize this more and will make this one less stable. That's why here this CH3COOH is more acidic one than H2CO3, and that's why this reaction is possible and H2CO3 forms and CO2 gas is released. Clear? Thank you.